Sometimes in railfanning, or any other type of photography for that matter, walking a short distance from a normal go-to spot can yield new views. I've walked about a quarter-mile away from my normal spot at the Water Resource Road crossing to a nearby hill, which as it turns out is an excellent vantage point. Also visible from this hill is Virtual Railfann's east and west facing web cameras mounted on a pole near the right-of-way. My first catch of the afternoon was a BNSF Manifest. The lead unit sports a sweet-sounding first-generation K5HL air horn. Next to grace my camera is an eastbound logistics train, easing its way down grade after making the climb over Cajon Pass. With the sun setting, the day's final rays of sunlight are lifted off the distant mountains as cars pass by on nearby Summit Valley Road, and it sounds like someone's having a good time at the nearby shooting range. Apparently, it's also a great time to have some family fun with some RC cars. By this time, the signal at Lugo was showing an advanced approach for main track number 2, an indicator of an approaching westbound. I decided to hike back to the crossing before the next train came. However, I was surprised to see that said next train was not a westbound, but actually an eastbound, working its way down grade. Little did I know that this train had an interesting treat in the 4th position, a CSX Givo headed back east. As I said at the beginning of this video, a short hike from a regular photography spot might yield new vistas from which to shoot. Next time you're out railfanning, look around and see if there's any perches or hills to film from and put a new spin on some of your favorite shots. For now, I'm TrainTrackTrav. I'll see you trackside. Thanks for watching.